he has a
Big
burp
burp.
in there, he won't eat because his
Big
belly's full
burp.
of air, right?
Big burp.
Yeah?
Big
You what?
burp.
Oh, good.
Burp burp.
Good, yeah?
Burp burp. Burp burp burp. Burp burp burp.
So every 2 to 3 hours when you go to try to feed him, do this. Get him undressed and sit him up and try to burp him before you try to feed him. Yeah?
But it's cold here in Florida.
I know. That's okay.
Wow.
It's nice and warm
No
in here.
shirt.
Look at it, how healthy I am. There's another burp.